What's up, dude?
So, remember we were talking about doing this Ireland event? I want to make it happen. I got a weekend that opened up. I'm gonna bring out my homies, you bring out your crew. Let's see if we can do like 2 days drifting, some partying.
Oh man, I've got so many people I want to bring to this. All right, let me send some messages out and make it happen.
All right, we're doing this. Let me get the word out. Colette, you down? Ireland?
I'm down, let's do it.
Another one. A drift event in Ireland? Sounds kind of sick, but I can't be the only Jimmy there.
Who's that?
Jimmy Oaks.
Yeah?
Yes, yeah. They're coming to Ireland for a drift bash in Mandela Park. You up for it?
Sweet, yeah, definitely. I'll see if any of the English guys are up for it.
Drift event in Ireland. Guys, get the PS ready, we're going to Ireland.
I think I'm going to need some more MX-5 guys there.
Have you ever been to Ireland?
No.
Maybe you wanna go?
Yeah. Let's just bring some more people with some cool cars like low and original.
Yeah, I think I'll sort something out.
It's an SR20. There is no better engine than that.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
That's how I was like.
It's got a text. Yeah, it was from Night Ride. It says there's an event in Ireland. I think we should go. Do you know who should definitely be there though as well?
Driftworks, 100%.
It might be time to stop messing about with all this stuff and get back in a drift car. Fire up the Nissan!
No way.
Tess! We've been invited to LZ's Drift Festival.
Oh, he's the right guy for this, but he's trouble every time we bring him. Oh, go on.
Drift event in Ireland? Mate, I got some unfinished business there. It's gotta go down. Let's go, boys. Let's go.
All right, guys, it seems crazy to say it, but it's really happening. On the 3rd and 4th of September in Mandela Park, the biggest names in the automotive world of YouTube and online are coming to our small country to drift, to meet and greet, and to throw down and party. It has been a long journey to get here, and in this video we're going to tell you guys all the information about how you get to the event, what the tickets are like, how do you drive in it, all that good stuff, how do you get to meet all these crazy personalities, but we'll get to that in a little while. What I want to start with is a little backstory on this. If you had told me a year ago that this lineup of people was coming to an event in our small country, I wouldn't have believed you. I don't think anybody would have believed you. But when we went to Drift Week last November, we got talking to the likes of Duarte from Drift HQ, to Adam LZ, just casually. And then we went back to Englishtown earlier this year, where there was the first LZ party there. We saw how crazy it was, how much fun it was, how entertaining it was, and it sort of sparked an interest in me. I spoke to Adam LZ at that event, and he said he was kind of interested in doing something on a big scale in Europe. And I said, well, we have a very good relationship with Mandela Park. They might be interested in doing something. However, no matter what way we looked at it, it was going to be a long task, a difficult one, and very expensive. But we decided to pull the trigger and explore it more. And every time we went back to the United States, we built a little bit more on the idea. And now it has absolutely snowballed out of control. We never thought we would have the level of names coming to our country. In fact, there's no country in Europe that will ever have had this level of personality and driver at the one venue at the one time, which makes it an unmissable event. We're nervous about it. I'm sure you guys are excited about it, but we're trying to roll the dice here. One of the things that I always loved about running events was bringing the world to Ireland, because a lot of people in Ireland don't have the funds, or they may have kids and they can't travel for long periods of time to go to the United States or go to Europe or go to the UK or wherever to meet all of these people. And even if you did go to those events, it's not really a guarantee that you'll get to meet anybody. At this event, we're going to change all that and give back to the Irish community to say that we're bringing it all the way to you. But if you are interested in driving or spectating or meeting and greeting these guys, what have you got to do? Well, that's what this video is all about, to explain to you all of those small details. Okay, so what's going on at the LZ Festival? Well, it takes place on September 3rd and 4th, Saturday, Sunday in September. And both days are very unique with a lot of different things going on. On the Saturday, the international guests will be doing a lot of meet and greets. You can get your autograph signed by Jimmy Oakes or by Adam LZ or James Deane. You get to meet and talk to all of our cool guests and maybe get a couple of photos along the way. That's what's going to be happening in the paddock, and they're going to be doing some testing on the track in the cars they're driving for the Sunday. On the track though, we've got the Drift King of Ireland competition going on. 50 of Ireland's best drifters going head to head all day to get to the podium, but also get to the top 4, so they progress into the Sunday to go head to head with their heroes from across the world. We've also got a full trade and merch village and 200 of Ireland's best show cars on display on the Saturday, so lots going on everywhere. On the Sunday, it switches up a little bit. We've got the same merchant trade, we've got the same car show, but on track, the LZ Invitational takes place where all of our international superstars go head to head in super lap, drift games, and a top 24 battle format. It's going to be a lot of fun, it's all about entertainment, but there's going to be some serious driving thrown in there. And remember guys, Saturday, all about meet and greet with all of our international superstars and watching insane Irish action on track, and Sunday is all about watching our international guests on track. But what would a festival weekend be without a party? And we're having a party, an after party on the Saturday evening. It's in the Nace Court Hotel in a town called Nace, which is very close to Mondello Park, and everybody from the event is going to meet up, blow off some steam, dance and drink until the early morning. It's going to be a blast. Okay, so now you're as excited as we are about this crazy event. It's a one-off, it may never happen again, so you're going to want to be there. But how do you get there? Well, tickets go on sale this Friday at 6 p.m. on the mondellopark.ie website. You go there and you'll see a couple of different ticket types in front of you, and I'm going to explain that. Each day is €30, so €30 for the Saturday, €30 for the Sunday. If you want to sit in the grandstand, it's an additional €10 each day. Now, that is pretty much the basic ticket rates. We also have another ticket, which is very special. It's the VIP ticket. The VIP grandstand is separate to everything else. It's got a better view of the track, and if you have a VIP ticket, you will get a one-on-one guaranteed meet on Saturday evening with all of our international guests. There's only 200 of these VIP tickets available, and they're each €150, so get them quick. So maybe you or your company want to trade or sell at the LZ Festival. What do? Well, you send us an email at hey@driftgames.life. We'll get back to you with all of our rates. We're expecting thousands of people at this event, so it's the perfect place for you to advertise your brand. So if you're a drifter, you're going to want to take part in the LZ Festival too, right? And you're thinking, Dave, go back. What is this Drift King of Ireland competition and how do I get involved? Well, 50 drivers are going to be chosen on application to compete in this competition on the Saturday, which, as I mentioned, the top 4 go into the LZ Invitational. Now, if you go to driftgames.life, go to our events page for this event, you'll see all the driver and car regulations and where you enter all your information to apply for this event. In a week or two, we're going to sift through all of those applications and pick our highest 50 ranked drivers and put them into competition. So make sure you go there, enter quick, because there's going to be a lot of applications. So next up, let's talk about the LZ Festival Car Show. Well, we're bringing the best of modified car culture to the one event and putting the most amount of media attention ever seen before in Ireland or the UK on it. So if you want to get your car noticed, head to driftgames.life, enter your application, and we'll be picking all of the coolest cars to be on display on both Saturday and Sunday. Just be mindful that your car needs to be there Saturday and Sunday if you're going to be in the show. There's going to be a lot of prizes, and our boy Jimmy Oakes is going to be judging all of the categories. It's going to be insane. Might even be more competitive in the pits than on the track. Okay, so what more information do you guys need to know about the LZ Festival? What are the questions you guys are going to be giving us? Well, here's all the answers before you ask them. Firstly, yes, you need to buy every single ticket for this event online only. You'll be sent an email with your QR code, which is scanned when you go through the gate. There is no paying on the gate at the event. So unfortunately, you're going to have to be ahead of time. There's also ticket limits. Remember I mentioned only 200 VIP tickets. There's only 1,000 grandstand seats each day, and there's only a maximum of 5,000 tickets being sold for the event each day. So don't be disappointed. Make sure you get your ticket very early so you're guaranteed to make it to the event. Don't leave it till the week or two before. So you want to pick yourself up some cool clothes or merch at the event while you're in luck, because a lot of our international guests are bringing over their own merchandising ranges, including Adam LZ, James Deane, and lots of others, including ourselves at Drift Games. So bring a few quid with you if you want to avoid heavy shipping costs from the US or further afield and pick something up cheap at the event. Unfortunately, guys, there is no camping allowed at this event. Because it's so busy and there's going to be so much car parking needed, there is no space for a campsite. But you can camp at other locations or get yourself a B&B or a hotel anywhere nearby. If you're flying in from abroad, where Nace is, where Mondello Park is, it's pretty close to Dublin and lots of other places, so there should be plenty of options available. Oh, and just to let you guys know, the competition on the Sunday, the LZ Invitational, will be insane. It's taking place on the 2022 Drift Masters layout with the 2 big concrete walls, and the whole 24 are going to be in pro class cars. This isn't a bash event. These boys want to win, and that podium is going to be tough to get. So that should be most of the information that you guys need for the LZ Festival. It's going to be a crazy event. We expect a record crowd, and you definitely don't want to miss it because it's probably never going to happen again. One-time only deal in Ireland, down the road. You guys get to see the best in the business go head-to-head on track in fun events and competitive events, the best of the Irish, the best of the world. There's so much going on. Stay tuned to our social media over the next couple of weeks. We're going to be informing you of even more craziness going on. Get your online tickets booked at 6 p.m. this Friday. Remember, all ticketing information is done through Mondello Park at Drift Games or LZ. We do not have any access to the tickets. It's all got to go through mondellopark.ie. But if you want to find out any information on the car show or driving at the event, you go to driftgames.live. Guys, my head's about to explode with what's about to happen on the 3rd and 4th of September. Adam LZ and the whole crew from around the world are coming to Ireland. You need to get your tickets at 6 p.m. on Friday. I need to take a breath because it's taken about a year to get this thing off the ground, and we've got a busy few weeks ahead of us getting it up to spec, but we can't wait to see you there. It's going to be wild.